Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Don't find fault, find a remedy. If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. Money doesn't change men, it merely unmasks them. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. The air is full of ideas. They are knocking you in the head all the time. You only have to know what you want, then forget it, and go about your business. Suddenly, the idea will come through. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do. Life is a series of experiences, each one of which makes us bigger, even though sometimes it is hard to realize this. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Competition is the keen cutting edge of business, always shaving away at costs. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do.